In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a Green Dot Bank account. This guide will take you through a comprehensive process that's both easy to understand and follow. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to get started on your application. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Green Dot website at www.greendot.com. Once you're on the home page, you should spot the options to either open an account or apply now. Both options will lead you to the same starting point for your application, so go ahead and click on one of them to get the process underway. Now that you're in the application section, you'll have to choose the type of account you're interested in setting up. Green Dot offers a couple of basic options. You can opt for a traditional checking account or choose a prepaid debit card, depending on what suits your financial needs best. Spend a moment considering each option and select the one that aligns with your banking preferences. Next, you'll be prompted to enter some personal information to establish and verify your identity. Begin by typing in your full name as it appears on government-issued ID. This ensures that the account is accurately linked to you. Following your name, enter your full address. This should be where you currently reside, as it will be used for mailing purposes and may be required for identity verification. After inputting your address, go ahead and enter your date of birth. This is another crucial piece of identity verification, allowing the bank to ensure that the person applying for the account is of legal age and eligible to use the services offered. Moving forward, you'll need to provide your social security number. This sensitive information is primarily used for identity verification and security purposes. Ensure that you double and triple check this entry to avoid any potential issues during application processing. With your basic information now entered, it's time to set up your login credentials. Create a unique username that will serve as your identity on the platform and a strong password to keep your account secure. It's a good idea to use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters for your password, making it difficult for others to guess. Your next task will be to review the terms and conditions associated with opening and maintaining a Green Dot account. Read through the document carefully, and once you're satisfied, agree to the terms to continue. Finally, you're ready to submit your application. If everything has been entered correctly, simply hit that submit button to send off your application for processing. Once your application has been reviewed and approved, you'll receive your virtual card instantly, while a physical card will be sent to your address by regular mail. And that's it. Congratulations, you've successfully applied for a Green Dot bank account and have taken